overcome those tests or those trials, talagang God will be glorified in our lives. Although hindi naman natin gusto na magkakasakit. But dahil ang sakit naman karamdaman hindi naman talaga kay Lord yan, tinubos na tayo sa ganyan. But in case, as we fight those evil of sickness or whatever, kailangan po natin isama ang Panginoon at doon po si Lord nag-glorify pagka po ginawa natin. And example po ni Daniel, ito isa sa mga magandang halimbawa, si Prophet Daniel. Sino po yung nakakakilala kay Prophet Daniel? Daniel 6:16. Then the king commanded, and they brought Daniel and cast him into the den of lions. Now the king spake and said unto Daniel, Thy God, whom you serve, continually he will deliver thee. (6:21 to 22). Then said Daniel unto